Hello everyone, so in this video I will teach you guys on how you guys can remove the pimple of any person on the Photoshop. So guys, we have two artboards right here, so you guys can see the difference of how the pimples are going. So guys, let's start with the girl with removing of the pimples. So guys, you need to use this patch tool right here. So I using the patch tool. So guys, you need to zoom really well to use this. I zoom about control plus. That's the shortcut. You guys can zoom, and control minus to zoom out. And guys, so let's start with these pimples. So guys, you guys need to make, first of all, you need to go ahead, right click the layer and select rasterize layer. Select that guys, and guys, you guys can make a circle right here and drag where she close to the skin color like that. So guys, it's really simple. So you guys can click Ctrl D to deselect the selecting border. Ctrl D. So guys, make sure you guys focus only the pimple without leaving any space. So guys, you guys can see her face look much clear without those pimples. Guys, let's remove it real quick. Okay, these are done. So guys, in here we have in her forehead big pimples right here, so you guys can circle it and drag and drop like this. You guys can see her skin turning. Okay, if you guys make any mistake, go ahead and click Ctrl C to undo it. So like that, we drag and drop. You guys can see difference right now. So let's see, this is before, this is after. You guys can see a much clear way to see. You guys can remove these two. You guys need to really focus on the skin by zooming, so you guys can get more clear view. You guys can see. So here there's no pimple. There is pretty much right here in the chin we have some pimples. So you guys can remove it like this. Control D to deselect the layers, I mean borders. So guys, it's pretty simple once you get the handling of the patch tool. So you guys can see it's pretty much done. So you guys can see the difference of how she is right now. It's pretty simple guys, you just need to concentrate and do the work. And you guys can see the difference right now. Basically a huge difference we have. You guys can see the before and the after. Guys, you guys can see that. It's really useful guys for the beginners of If you are editing the photos of persons, this is really useful, guys. Make sure you guys learn this. You guys can see how much difference that is. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. So yes guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.